Wonderful good day, ladies and gentlemen, here on Commodity TV, and welcome to the corporate update for Copper Mountain Mining. There was a lot going on at Copper Mountain at the end of the fiscal year. Despite severe environmental impacts, they achieved satisfactory Q4 production results. The Copper Mountain mine produced 16.7 million pounds copper, nearly 5,500 ounces gold, and over 80,000 ounces silver in Q4 2021, compared to 23.1 million pounds copper, approximately 9,000 ounces gold, and nearly 145,000 ounces silver in Q4 2020. The lower production this quarter was the result of lower grades and lower mill feed throughput. The average mill feed grade was 0.3% copper in Q4 2021 compared to an average grade of 0.4% copper in Q4 2020, primarily due to the commissioning of Ball Mill 3, severe storms during the quarter and damage to the main well assembly and secondary crusher bushing in the second half of November. Nevertheless, on a full-year basis, Copper Mountain achieved its 2021 production guidance of 90 to 100 million pounds copper, which was increased during the year. In 2021, 90.1 million pounds copper, nearly 29,000 ounces gold, and approximately 524,000 ounces silver were produced, compared to 77.6 million pounds copper, nearly 30,000 ounces gold, and just under 393,000 ounces silver in 2020. Copper recoveries were 79.8% for the full year 2021 compared to 78% in 2020, also better. Due to lower production in Q4 as well as higher operating costs, C1 cash costs per pound copper produced were $2.17 compared to $1.43 in Q4 2020. AIC per pound copper produced was $2.54 in Q4 2021 compared to $1.58 in Q4 2020. The increase here was due to higher one-time working capital expenses. At the full-year level, C1 cash costs per pound copper produced were $1.49 in 2021 compared to $1.53 in 2020. The decrease in cost per pound in 2021 is due to higher production and larger byproduct credits for gold and silver produced compared to 2020. AIC for the full year 2021 was $1.84, higher than the previous year's AIC of $1.69 per pound copper produced. Again, mostly one-time capital expenditures accounted for the increase. Copper Mountain generated gross profit of $72.2 million in Q4 2021 compared to $47.3 million in Q4 2020. Net profit was $31.5 million in Q4 compared to net profit of $28.5 million in Q4 2020. Full year gross profit was over 200% higher than the prior year at nearly $321 million. Net profit also showed a decent increase. It was $148.1 million in 2021 compared to over $50 million a year earlier. The company has cash and cash equivalents of over $178.4 million at the end of the year. Subsequent to year-end, zero-cost collar options were purchased for 3.3 million pounds of copper per month through 2020, with a minimum price of $4 per pound and an average maximum price of $4.91 per pound copper. Looking forward, Copper Mountain expects production to increase to 90 to 105 million pounds copper in 2023, with 80 to 90 million pounds of copper forecast for this year. Contributing to the improvement will be, among other things, the third ball mill, which was commissioned in the fourth quarter of 2021. This will improve the plant's milling capacity from 40 to 45,000 tons per day. Other project improvements will also be completed this year. Exploration success also continued, with the company extending mineralization at New Ingerbelle to depths and to the west and expanding 3 large mineralized zones at Cameron Copper. Despite all the adversity and one-time items, a very good set of numbers that has room to grow with various improvements and investments. I'm a shareholder of the company and see Copper Mountain clearly on the upswing due to the unbroken demand for copper. Please note the disclaimer. The company is included in the SRC Mining Special Situation Certificate. Thanks for watching us and bye-bye from Switzerland.